Hello everybody, do you remember this one? Actually, this is a remake. The first one sold immediately and I was kind of sorry because I didn't get a chance to enjoy it myself. And it makes me think I don't really want to sell any of them, but of course I have to in order to pay my bills and buy more materials and keep going basically. So when it happens and I was really attached to them emotionally, I make them again. And of course they always come out different anyway. So, and I'm unashamed of it because Monet did it and Vincent did it and so on. Anyway, what happened was I ran out of gold halfway through, and the new gold, when it eventually arrived, is a different colour gold. And I'm kind of fine with it really. I decided to carry on unashamedly because this is what happened in Byzantine times. And if you go to Ravenna, for instance, you'll see the gold changes if you look at a large area. You'll also sometimes see a vertical line, and that's where they'd finish for the day and scrape back the substrate so that they could begin again the next day. Anyway, there we are, here it is. I love it, made it again. I can't say I hope I don't sell it, of course I need to sell it, but I'm enjoying it meanwhile. And as usual, here's an accompanying verse that goes with it. These two peacocks in this frieze like to strut and shoot the breeze. But what they are wondering as they stand so bold is what has happened to the colour of the gold.